Hi, Katie Rice here with your Rice Conway Mortgage Minute for this week. Rates have remained steady. We are looking still at a 30-year fixed best execution rate with no points around 4.5% and about 3.5% for a 15-year best execution rate, no points. Obviously, each person's scenario is different. Please give us a call on specific scenarios. What's happening in the mortgage world? Continued layoffs at many of the major banks is sort of a concern for anyone who is doing purchases right now, because as you put your file into underwriting, sometimes people get laid off, and so the ball sort of dropped. You really need a team right now to be pushing your loans through. We've had that and had that under control, but it's something just to be aware of with your clients. As far as where we think rates will continue to go, we still think that rates will continue to remain steady, having some good days, some bad days, and again, still ending the year at a higher rate than it is today. So affordability is great right now, and that's something you should be passing on to your clients. If you have any question, please give Victoria or myself a call. Have a great day. Bye.